EasyGo products. So let's see. Let's open the box. Let's do the unboxing for this shower shower. We got it from Amazon. So it comes with a bag, very handy. Bring it like this. Let's bring this. Snappy. Fits our truck, our tray. So finally, we got this shower shelter. It's like a pop-up tent and it's very snappy. It has a 2-door. This one can be for the shower, and there's this thing here. You can hook your stuff here, and then there's also a window like that. Say like if you want to take a shower and then you have the view, and you can close it also. And then from the inside it has another opening. Say like you want to have a bigger toilet, you just have to open it from down and you can access on the next side, right? It's so easy. That's so very cool. I like it. You can remove the cover from this side and you can go to another toilet. That's so funny. Ayan. You see, guys, it's so cool. And you got this strap here. So like you want, you can put here the lamp, the light at night. And there's this strap here. You can hang your stuff here, your clothes or whatever. And there's also a window here. You can see the view. And there's this little pocket. Okay, so you just have to press it, then it will close by itself. Press, and it's like an umbrella. You see, so easy to set up. Today we have the Helio LX. It's a portable high pressure shower. So let's see, what's this? Has portable high pressure shower, sits on ground, no hanging required, pressurized with foot pump. It has 7 to 10 minutes of continuous spray. Wow. 5.8 gallon capacity. It has a lifetime warranty. We stand behind our gear so you can enjoy a lifetime of adventure. Let's see. And then can warm in sun. See, look at this. It's useful for shower, pouch, boots, dishes, gear, material, pets like surfing or bikes, road trips, overhead hose length, yun 7 to 10 minutes constant spray, refill anywhere. So refillable siya. So right now we're gonna open it and refill it and fill it with water. See, it's very portable. Comes with this. Comes with the net. Nemo. Where's Nemo? When you open, this is the hose, and then the nozzle. It has this hole here, so we can hang it. And this is the pump. There's this handle here. Yes. Just have to pull out. There's a handle here. Nemo equipment. There's a little pump here. There's this holder there.
Yeah. Like that. This and this.
Oh.
Let's make this. Ta-da.
See?
I can make that skateboard.
To activate the pump, you have to flip it. Remove the cover. Close it.
What's it?
It has this open when not in use. This
No.
this is the drain. See? So the water will be drained from this side. It's not in use. Cover it when you're using it. See? Like the net, the bag net. So this very sturdy.
Really, what's the balloon?
Comes with a nozzle.
Oh, you're gonna get on.
With a hook. You can hang it.
You can't get them.
And it comes with a handle. You see? There's a handle here. And the cover. You fill it with the water, you cover it, and unscrew. Good to go. So that's how it goes. You just have to fill it with water like that. See? It's very sturdy. It comes with a handle. So to activate this is the nozzle. All you need to do is do a pump. Press pump here. Pump. You can use your feet. You can use your feet to pump it. Yes. You see? You see the water is coming out from the nozzle? Pressure stepping on the pump. Just have to press this, and then shower is coming out. Press and shower is coming out. Press and shower is coming out. See? Just pump this to the pressure. And you're good to go. Then the problem is how to stop it.